Hi, I'm Mike Litzner, broker owner, Coldwell Banker, American Homes. I'm here in Mount Sinai and Route 25A at our newly built regional office. I'm here with Sandra Caruso, our regional manager for the Mount Sinai Wading River offices. And we're really excited because we're coming down the home stretch. What do you think so far now?
Oh my God, I can't get over this, Mike. The progress is amazing. I can't get over the high ceilings, all the natural light in here. The agents are really excited. It's so nice to have that fence alongside the property down. So now folks can see what's happening and see our signage up front.
You know, it's interesting when you build something from ground up, you really get to design something special. And one of the things that we were really careful with is the flow of natural light. So from the big double windows to the glass panels in the private offices to the glass panels in the doors. So the flow of natural light coming through here really makes an impact, doesn't it, Sandra?
Yes, it absolutely does.
So inside, I think we are basically done. Hi-hats were in since the last time we did a video. The flooring has been in. And right now, all the furniture is going to be coming in.
Good morning, everyone. We're Office Furniture Direct, and we're starting our furniture installation here at Coldwell Banker's new corporate facility in Mount Sinai, Long Island. And we should be here for the next couple of days, making this place look beautiful.
What's going on right now is all the outside work. All the curbing and sidewalks are done. So happy to see that they're paving the parking lot now. They told me it's going to take 20 dump trucks full of blacktop to pave this parking lot. It's a 32-car parking lot, so it's a substantial space. Our paver patio is done. So the next video you should be seeing from us should be our grand opening. I'm thinking like early in October. So we really appreciate you taking the journey with us, and we look forward to seeing you at our big grand opening coming soon.